Let your body be. Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low.
How are you? I hope you're doing great. As you can see, for today's video, we are going to learn how to shape our eyebrows. Yes, I uploaded this video to my Spanish channel, but I think this will be very ultra mega super useful for you since the shape of our eyebrow is the frame of our face. So, without further ado, let's get started. For this tutorial, we are going to use tweezers, ruler. Also, we are going to use a concealer just to define where we need to depilate or pluck the eyebrow. This is called a vernier and is used to measure different areas of our face. To finally, with different makeup techniques, we can create this harmonic, oval, and visually attractive face. For us, just for us. The measures that we want to achieve are same in both eyes and that same space in the middle of our eyes. But this process is mainly used by professionals, so we are going to use an easier method. To achieve this perfect eyebrow design, we're going to use the ruler or this stick and let's place it in the corner of our nose, touching the middle of the eye. I'm referring to the part that is closer to the nose, just here. Then draw a little line there to remember where we need to pluck. For the angle or the tallest part of our eyebrow, we are going to place the ruler again in the edge of our nose and then look straight to the mirror, and in the outer side of your pupil, you are going to make this diagonal line and then draw the line. Finally, for the end of our eyebrow, we are going to place the ruler again in the corner of our nose and then touch the end of our eyes. In Spanish, that's called rabillo del ojo. Do this diagonal line and draw your mark. Like so. Same with the other eye. Now it's time to define the shape of the eyebrow. I will always recommend to follow the natural line of our eyebrows. We don't want to pluck too much because it will be very difficult to fix the mistake. If you have a rectangular face, use a horizontal shape for your eyebrows. If you have a square face shape, use angles and a little bit of curves. If you have a rounded face shape, prefer to use angles. Draw the opposite shape to our face. An eyebrow liner so you can shave those little hairs. Use it carefully since we don't want to make any mistake. If you have a very long eyebrow, use this little comb and small scissors to cut the excess. Brush your eyebrow in an upward motion and all those little hairs, cut them. Now it's time to fill those gaps with our eyebrow pencil and brush to blend. To finalize this tutorial, I will tell you that the shape of our eyebrows will define if we want to be perceived as the villain of the story or as the princess. It doesn't matter, just choose the way you want to be looked. Okay? I'm going to apply this purple shadow just to achieve the look of having a bigger eye. And remember to always pull the shadow towards the corner of your eye so you can have an almond shape. Now I'm going to apply this copper shadow in the middle of the eye and in the waterline. And finally, these little sparkles below the eyebrow to make it more shiny and to open that eye. Also, in the inner corner of the eye. This is my favorite step. Put it here. It will make your mouth look bigger, fuller, yummier. And we are done. Thank you so much for being patient with my English. I hope this video was very helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.